Conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Rajesh Tegulla. Today we are going to discuss about Java introduction. We'll see introduction to Java. Okay, now we are going to discuss what is a Java, why they are introduced to this language, what is the advantages of this language, everything we are going to discuss now. Okay, see in 1990, Sun Microsystem Sun Microsystems received a project called Green Project. Green Project. Initially, they want to develop this using either C or C++. Okay. See, in 1990, Sun Microsystem, they received a project called Green Project. They want to develop this using either C or C++ technology. See, the C and C++ technology is called system dependent technologies. These are called system dependent technologies. See, what is mean by system dependent? For example, I am preparing a code on Windows 8. Okay, that code will work on Windows 8. If I am changing the operating system like Windows 10 or 11, that particular code is not going to work. If you are doing modification of the code, then it will work. Okay, this is the nature is called system dependent nature, and they don't want that nature. They want a system independent nature. They want a system independent. Okay, they want a system independent nature. Okay, then they started using. Okay, they started preparing one language. Okay, now you can see once again I'll revise this. In 1990, Sun Microsystem received a project called Green Project. Initially, they want to develop this using either C or C++ technology, but they are system dependent technologies. System dependent means I'm preparing a code on Windows 8, it will work in Windows 8 only. If you go for any other operating system, it is not going to work. Then they want a system independent. See, system independent mainly write once, run from anywhere. Okay, this is what they required. Okay, now James Gosling, James Gosling he started developing a new language which was completely system independent. And this James Gosling only is called father of Java. Okay, and not only James Gosling and his team members. Okay, and he is the father of Java. And most of some people they'll ask like, who is the mother of Java? But there is no recognized female inventor called mother of Java. That's why we have only father of Java is available. It is a James Gosling. Okay, next. See, initially this particular programming language initially called oak. Initially they are called oak. Okay, it is a tree outside Gosling office. Okay, oak is nothing but it is a oak tree outside Gosling office. And see why they kept this particular name, because of three reasons. First reason is it is incredible strength. Okay, second, it is an incredible length. That means it is a very powerful and it is called majestic appearance. The next one is majestic appearance. Okay, that means it's like looking grand or it is like a impressive. This is an incredible strength. incredible strength. And the second thing is a majestic appearance. Okay, this oak tree, that's why they thought decided to go for name called oak. But what happened there, you can see the image of oak. You can see here, this is the image of oak tree. Okay, next. Okay, they changed. Okay, what they did, they changed name oak to java. They changed name oak to java. Now question is why they have changed. Okay, see, they changed the name oak to java because of the name was already registered another company. Okay, because of already registered another company. Now the question is why java. Okay, the next one is why Java. See, during a team discussion, they were drinking Java coffee. Okay, and the word Java came up. They liked it, and so they selected Java as a new name. Now the question is, what is a Java? Okay, Java is the name of a coffee bean name. Java is the name of a coffee bean name. Okay, that's why java symbol is cup and saucer with stream. Okay, that's why java symbol is cup and saucer with stream. Okay, now you can see the symbol of java. Yeah, this is the symbol of java. Now you understood. So now once again, just I'm explaining here. So introduction to Java, 1990 Sun Microsystem, they received a project called Green Project. Initially, they want to develop using either C or C++, but they are system dependent languages. That means if you want to prepare a language in that code with Windows 8, it will work in Windows 8. If you are changing any other operating systems, even though Linux, Unix also, it won't work. To overcome that, they want a completely system independent language, and they started preparing that. Who is the father of java? James Gosling and his team members. And this is a oak. Okay, it is like a tree. After that they change it to java. Okay, because of java name cup, like a java symbol is cup and saucer with streaming. Okay, next. The first Java version was released JDK 1.0. Okay, released on January 23rd, 1996. Okay, this is the first Java version. JDK 1.0 was released in January 23rd, 1996. Now, today, more than 3 billion people, okay, billion devices run on Java. Right? Today, more than 3 billion devices they are run on the Java. Now we'll see the major releases of Java. Now we can see the major releases. See, this is the JDK 1.0 is 1996. After that, JDK 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. From 1.4 onwards, suddenly they are started calling Java SE5. Okay, instead of 1.5, they are calling 5 because of the .NET framework. Okay, .NET framework, that time they released Java .NET framework 4.0. Then they started, okay, if we are going for 1.4 is a lower version, they'll think clients. That's why they thought instead of doing 1.4 directly, they started calling Java SE5. Now Java SE5, 6, 7, 8, now up to 22 are available in the market. And here in some versions I have given LTS. Okay, in some version, like I have given LTS. See what does it means? Long term support. Okay, LTS means long term support will be there. Say LTS. Okay, long term support. Okay, see what is mean by long term support? It will get security updates, okay, and bug fixing, next performance improvement, next no need to upgrade frequently. See, these are the reasons. First, long term support will be there, that means security updates and bug fixes will come and performance improves and no need to update frequently. And what are the versions are there? That is LTS support versions, Java SE8 and next Java SE11, now Java SE17 and Java SE21. Okay, these are the LTS support versions. Now next we are going to discuss types of Java. Okay, that means Java editions. Okay, majorly there are four types of Java available in the market. The first one is called JSE. Okay, Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. Okay, and the second one is called Java EE. JEE, Java Enterprise Edition. Enterprise Edition. Now they are calling from 2019 onwards. Instead of Java EE, Java Enterprise Edition, they are calling Jakarta EE. Okay, next third. And third one is called Java ME version. AME, Java Micro Edition. Okay, next fourth one is called Java FX. Okay, this is nothing but Java FX. Okay, now there are four types of Java is available in the market. One is called Java SE, second one is called Java EE, Java Enterprise Edition or Jakarta Enterprise Edition, and Java ME for Micro Edition. Next one is Java FX. Okay, now we'll discuss first what is the use of Java SE version. Okay, now see Java SE for desktop applications, Java SE for standalone application, or we can call this core Java. See, most of the people they'll ask in the interview first question, you know core Java, they'll ask what is the core Java. Then they'll tell this is a basic Java. Okay, we should not call this is a basic Java. Core is nothing but which part is important, that is called core. This is only Java Standard Edition. This is for desktop applications will support. Okay, this is a desktop application or we can call standard one application, and this is a foundation for all other Java editions. This is the foundation for all Java editions. Okay, this is the first. What is a Java SE? It is for desktop application. Desktop application means it will work with one particular system. Okay, if that software will work on that system only. If you are calling the same software from other system, it won't work. Okay, to get that support, they are using this JEE. Okay, Java Enterprise Edition. Okay, see some confusion. Some people they'll call J2EE or JEE. Okay, from Java 2 version onward, they are calling Java 2EE, but you can call JEE is a proper terminology. No need to call J2EE. Okay, and the second one is for Java Enterprise Edition for web applications. It is for web applications. Okay, this is for web application, or we can call enterprise level web application. And the next one here, they are using a concept called servlet, comma ASP, comma EJB. Okay, EJB is a very old technology. Now it is not that much popular. And the next, for this JEE application, compulsory they need to prepare with core Java. After core Java, we need to use this J2, like JEE concepts. This is built on top of Java SC. Okay, compulsory core Java is mandatory for all these four applications, like four editions. Okay, and mostly example for JEE. Okay, banking domain or e-commerce applications. Okay, banking domain. Okay, sometimes you are seeing some SBI websites, they are ending with the .jsp. Okay, this is nothing but web application, Java server page. Okay, you need to consider this is a web application. Next, third one is called Java ME micro edition. Java micro edition. Okay, this is a Java micro edition for portable devices. Okay, Java micro edition for portable devices. For mobile applications. Okay, Java ME for mobile application, and this is for lightweight version. Okay, lightweight version of Java. Okay, this is for Java ME technology. Okay, next, last one is called, that's why see most of the Android phones will work on the JME technology only. Okay, next, Java FX. Okay, this is the fourth one. See, this is a why they are using this Java FX for used for rich desktop applications. Used for applications with E GUI, rich desktop application with GUI. Okay, graphical user interface. See, GUI is nothing but support for graphics, media, and animation. They are supporting. Okay, now this is we can call this is desktop GUI application. Okay, we can call desktop GUI application. Okay, this is Java FX. Okay, was introduced in 2008. Java FX version was introduced in 2008. Okay, next, it is a it is the successor to Swing, comma AWT. Okay, this is the Swing AWT. See, what is the speciality of this application? Like if you want to create a buttons, labels, forms, everything, we can use it. Now they are using for the Swing and AWT alternative, we are using HTML. Okay, nowadays, but some in olden days they are using with Swing or AWT. Okay, this is the Java FX. Okay, now this Java FX, Java FX from Java 11 onwards, from Java 11 onwards, no longer included in the JDK. Okay, Java FX, Java 11 onwards, no longer included in JDK, and it is maintained separately as Open Java FX. Okay, they are separated Java FX. Okay, next, see. There are four types of Java is available. Java SE, Java Standard Edition for desktop application. Second one is for Java EE for web application. This Java EE, we are calling this from 2019 onwards Jakarta EE. And what is the reason for they are calling Jakarta? Oracle donated Java EE to Eclipse Foundation. Okay. Due to trademark issues, the name Java EE could not be used. Okay, so in 2019, Java EE was officially renamed as Jakarta EE, and this is JEE for web applications. Okay, and we are using the technology Servlet or JSP or EJP. Okay, example for this banking and e-commerce applications. Okay, next Java ME for Java Micro Edition for portable devices or like mobile applications. Okay, this is only Android applications. And last one is called Java FX. Okay, this is for rich desktop application with GUI, and with web GUI is nothing but JEE, and desktop GUI is nothing but Java FX. Okay, this is the small introduction about Java. Just I am revising this briefly. Introduction Java 1990 Sun Microsystem received a project called Green Project. Initially, they want to develop using C or C++. Their system dependent technologies. That's why they started system independent. And James Gosling and his team members started preparing a language that kept a name called Oak. But some other company registered with this name. That's why later they changed it to Java. Okay, now why Java? While developing this project, they consumed a lot of coffee. They thought because of the coffee, they prepared this product. That's why they decided to go for a name called Java. Java is nothing but coffee bean name. That's why symbol is cup and saucer with stream. And first Java version was released JDK 1.0 on January 23rd, 1996. Okay, today more than 3 billion devices run on Java, and they have a different types of versions are there. These are the versions. I'll share the material for that. And some version they have included LTS. Okay, LTS means long term support will be there. So most of the interview question they'll ask. See, what are the version and they have LTS support. What is mean by LTS also they'll ask, because security updates, bug fixes, performance improvement, and no need to upgrade frequently. Okay, next types of Java. There are four types of Java is available. Java SC for standard edition. Second one is for enterprise edition or Jakarta edition, and JME for Java micro edition, and JFX for Java FX. They'll call, there is no abbreviation for FX. It is they are using for graphics they are using. Okay, up to here the small introduction of Java. In the continuation programs, we'll install the software and we'll start first Java program. Okay, just follow our subscribe and follow our channel, and if you have any doubts you can comment. I'm available, I can give the reply. Okay, thank you for watching.